Warning: a supermoon unlike any other is about to light up the night sky, and its energy will be so intense that it could change everything for you. This isn't just any full moon. This is the most powerful supermoon of 2025, an event that will amplify emotions, awaken hidden energies, and supercharge your manifestations. If you've been feeling stuck, restless, or sensing that something big is about to shift, this is why. This supermoon will act like a cosmic magnifying glass, intensifying everything in your life. But here's the catch. If you don't align yourself properly with this energy, it could bring chaos instead of clarity. Most people will let this moment pass without realizing its potential, but you won't. In this video, I'm going to break down why this supermoon is so powerful and what makes it different from any other full moon, how it will impact your emotions, consciousness, and even your reality. The exact steps you must take to harness its energy for transformation, and crucially, what you should avoid at all costs. Stay with me until the end because this supermoon could be the reset you've been waiting for, but only if you know how to use it. Let's start with the big question. What makes this supermoon so powerful? What makes this supermoon different? Not all full moons are created equal. Some are subtle, while others unleash waves of energy that can be felt across the planet. But a supermoon is something entirely different. It occurs when the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, making it appear larger, brighter, and more intense than usual. And this one? It's the biggest and most energetically charged supermoon of 2025. Cosmic energy intensified. Think of it this way. The moon already affects the tides of the ocean. And since the human body is made up of over 60% water, imagine what this magnified lunar energy does to your emotions, your thoughts, and even your subconscious mind. This supermoon will act like an emotional amplifier, bringing deep truths, hidden fears, and even suppressed desires to the surface. Spiritual significance. For centuries, mystics, astrologers, and ancient cultures have understood the moon's power. During a supermoon, that power is magnified, making it one of the best times to release negativity that's been holding you back, gain clarity on your life path and purpose, supercharge your manifestations and intentions. Now that you understand why this supermoon is so important, let's talk about how it will directly impact your emotions, energy, and even your reality. When the moon reaches its peak energy, it doesn't just light up the sky. It illuminates everything within you. This means that whatever you've been avoiding, suppressing, or ignoring will rise to the surface. Emotional clarity, hidden feelings will come to light, whether you're ready for them or not. Increased intuition. You may experience strong gut feelings, vivid dreams, or déjà vu. Restlessness and energy shifts. Some people may feel an intense urge to make big changes, while you might feel more emotional than usual. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, nostalgic, or even anxious during this supermoon, you're not alone. The moon is deeply connected to our subconscious mind. Under this powerful lunar energy, you may suddenly feel drawn to reflect on your past and unresolved emotions, have a strong desire to break free from limiting beliefs or toxic cycles, experience powerful synchronicities or aha moments about your life path, a portal for transformation. This isn't just an emotional event, it's a portal for transformation. During this supermoon, the veil between the conscious and subconscious mind is thinner. That means it's the perfect time to reprogram your thoughts, set powerful intentions, and align with your highest self. But here's the key. You must know how to channel this energy correctly. So, how can you harness this supermoon's energy instead of feeling overwhelmed by it? Let's talk about the exact steps you need to take. Step 1. Set powerful intentions. This supermoon is like a cosmic reset button, a rare chance to align with your deepest desires. Write down what you want to manifest in the next 6 months. Be specific and focus on emotions, not just material goals. Visualize as if it's already happening. Feel the success, love, or abundance you seek. Why this works? Supermoons amplify thought energy. The clearer your intentions, the faster they materialize. Step 2. Release what no longer serves you. A full moon is also a time for letting go. Ask yourself, what is weighing me down? What fears, habits, or toxic patterns do I need to release? Write them down on paper. Safely burn or tear the paper as a symbolic act of release. Say, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome transformation. Why this works. When you release old energy, you make room for new blessings to enter. Step 3. Meditate and connect with the lunar energy. The supermoon's energy is strongest a few hours before and after peak illumination. Go outside, sit in the moonlight, and breathe deeply. Visualize the moon's energy cleansing and recharging you. If possible, place a bowl of water under the moon overnight. This creates moon-charged water that you can drink or use for spiritual cleansing. Why this works. The moon emits subtle but powerful vibrational frequencies that influence our energy field. Step 4. Pay attention to signs and synchronicities. During powerful lunar events, the universe sends messages in unexpected ways. Unusual dreams? Write them down. Your subconscious is revealing something. Seeing repeated numbers, 111, 222, 555. This means you're in sync with the energy shift. Random coincidences leading you toward a new path. Follow the signs. Why this works. The supermoon is a magnifier. It reveals what you're meant to see. Now that you know what to do, there's something equally important. What you should avoid during this supermoon. A single mistake could block its power. So let's go over that next. Mistake 1. Letting negative emotions take over. Supermoons amplify emotions, both good and bad. If you're feeling anxious, angry, or overwhelmed, it's easy to spiral into negativity. Avoid dwelling on past mistakes, toxic memories, or regrets. Instead, shift your focus to solutions, healing, and gratitude. Why this matters. Whatever energy you put out will be magnified. If you focus on fear, you'll attract more fear. If you focus on growth, you'll attract transformation. Mistake 2. Making impulsive decisions. During a supermoon, emotions run high, which can lead to rash decisions. Avoid quitting your job, ending relationships, or making major life choices out of heightened emotion. Instead, observe your feelings, but wait a few days before taking action. Why this matters. The supermoon brings clarity but also intensity. Let emotions settle before making big moves. Mistake 3. Ignoring rest and self-care. Many people feel wired, restless, or unable to sleep during a supermoon. This is normal. Avoid overstimulation, too much social media, late-night stress, or unnecessary drama. Instead, prioritize rest, meditation, and grounding exercises like deep breathing or nature walks. Why this matters. Your body is processing a massive energy shift. Give yourself time to integrate it. Mistake 4. Blocking the energy with clutter and chaos. A messy environment creates mental and energetic blocks. Avoid keeping unnecessary clutter around you. Instead, cleanse your space. Burn sage, open windows, and let fresh energy in. Why this matters. A clean space equals a clear mind. This simple step can dramatically improve how you receive and process the supermoon's energy. Now that you know exactly what to do and what to avoid, let's bring it all together with a final message on how to fully embrace this supermoon's power. This supermoon isn't just another celestial event. It's a cosmic opportunity for deep transformation. Right now, the universe is handing you a moment of clarity, release, and manifestation. You can either consciously align with this energy or let it pass you by. The choice is yours. I challenge you to take action tonight. Set your intentions. Let go of what no longer serves you. Open yourself to the signs, synchronicities, and possibilities that are unfolding. Because if you do, this supermoon could mark the beginning of an entirely new chapter in your life. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What are you manifesting during this supermoon? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because the more people who align with this energy, the more powerful the shift becomes. The universe is speaking. Are you ready to listen?